Friends, if you're looking for a good quality gas stove burner for your kitchen, then you've clicked on the right video. Because in this video I'm going to show you some of the best gas stoves available in the Indian market. The ones that are durable, reliable, and full paisa vasool. And yes, I promise you one thing. Once you watch this video completely, you won't need to search for best gas stove in India, anywhere else. Everything you need to know before buying a gas stove, I'll tell you right here. Now before we start the list, let's quickly understand the basics. In the market, you'll find mainly two types of cooktops. First, stainless steel cooktops, which are stronger and long-lasting. Second, glass cooktops, which look more modern, stylish and are easier to clean. Both are good, but nowadays, toughened glass cooktops are more popular in Indian kitchens. Next, let's talk about the most important part of any gas stove, the burners. Burners usually come in three types: brass, aluminium, and brass alloy. My recommend always go for brass burners. They might cost a little more, but they are the best in terms of heat efficiency, durability, and long-term performance. Family sizes. For a mid-size, 3 burners are perfect. Small families can go burners, and large families can opt for 4 burners. In this video, the market research for you and shortlisted the top 5 gas stove models that come in a budget of 2,000 rupees to 6,000 rupees. Let's start our list of best gas stove burners in India. Number 1 on our list is the Elica Vetro, one of the most popular and reliable 3-burner gas stoves in India. Here, you get 1 small burner and 2 large brass burners. On top, there's a toughened glass top that looks premium and is strong enough for daily Indian cooking. It also comes with Euro-coated grids, stainless steel support plate, high-quality knobs and a nice premium glass finish. It is manual, but the important thing is, it's ISI certified for safety. Elica gives you a 2-year warranty on this model. This comes at around 3,000 rupees, and if you grab it during sales with bank card offers, you can get an extra 10% discount. On just 3,000 rupees, getting premium looks, strong build and reliable performance is a great deal. That's why Elica Vetro is totally worth considering. At number 2 we have the Prestige Iris Toughened Glass Top. This one is for those who want a premium quality gas stove from a trusted brand. Here you get 1 small and 2 large tri-pin brass burners, along with the spill-proof design, superior toughened glass, mild steel body, and yes, this one too is ISI certified. Prestige offers a 2-year warranty. Current price is around 3,000 rupees, and during sales you might get it for even less. Plus point is, you get a trusted brand like Prestige, with premium design plus efficient burners, plus long-lasting build. Definitely a good choice if you want both style and durability. On the third spot, we have the Blowhot Heavy Brass Burner. This one gives you 3 heavy-duty brass burners for efficient cooking. The toughened glass top with stainless steel frame adds to the strength, and you also get high-quality knobs with automatic ignition. No need for lighter or matchstick. Design looks really premium, almost like a VIP burner for your kitchen. It also comes with anti-skid legs and of course is ISI certified for safety. Blowhot gives you a 2-year warranty. Now here's the fun part. The MRP of this model is around 6,000 rupees, but during Amazon sales, you can easily grab it at just 4,700 rupees. With bank offers you might save another 10%. If you want premium looks plus automatic ignition, plus heavy-duty brass burners all together, then Blowhot Heavy Brass Burner is a fantastic deal. At number 4 we have the Milton Premium Pro. If your budget is around 4,000 rupees, this is a solid option. This one has a 6mm heat-resistant toughened glass top, with 100% brass burners, 1 small plus 2 large, placed with good spacing so you can cook multiple dishes easily. You also get durable knobs, heavy-duty pan supports, spill-proof design, and automatic ignition. And yes, it's also ISI certified. Is 1 year, given by Milton. Price, around 3,500 rupees. The best part about Milton Premium Pro is that it gives you premium looks, powerful burners, and uniform heating at a reasonable price. A total value for money product. Finally, at number 5, we have the Lifelong LLGS 803. This one is for those who want a budget-friendly gas stove without compromising on safety. It has a 6mm toughened glass top, high-efficiency burners, automatic ignition, strong pan supports, stainless steel drip tray, anti-skid legs and a simple yet durable design. And most importantly, it is also ISI certified. Warranty is 1 year. It is around 2,000 rupees, which makes it one of the best budget cooktops available in India. The 2 biggest plus points here are, you get automatic ignition, you get ISI certification. Both at just 2000 rupees makes this gas stove a smart budget choice. So friends, these were our top 5 best gas stove burners in India. Each model in this list has been selected after considering quality, performance and price. You'll find the direct Amazon best deal links for all these gas stoves in the description below. Don't forget to check them, especially during sales, because that's when you can save the most with extra discounts and bank offers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Best Picks India for more such smart buying guides. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.